Hello friends, today we are going to visit Lindt Home of Chocolates. This place is located in Kilchberg, a picturesque suburb just a few kilometers south of Zurich city center. It is easily accessible by public transport or car. The Lindt Home of Chocolates is a state-of-the-art visitor experience opened in September 2020 to celebrate Lindt's legacy as one of the world's leading chocolate makers. It features an interactive museum, a chocolate production plant, a world-class shop, and Switzerland's largest Lindt cafe. I'm standing in front of Lindt Chocolate, the world famous chocolate factory. So we are visiting the factory and it will take about 2 hours. So it's a great experience. So I look forward to it. My friends are also with me and after 2 hours we'll be back and I will report when I go inside the factory. This iconic attraction showcases over 175 years of Swiss chocolate making tradition. This building is spread over 20,000 square meters and is designed by famous architect Rice and Ganta. This is Violeta. She's a very nice lady, very pretty, nice lady. She explained the whole thing and she said we have to wait till 4 o'clock. The entrance is at 4 o'clock. But we are going to buy the ticket. Okay. And meanwhile, there are many things to keep us busy, right? Okay. Thank you, Violeta. See you. From here, we went to the cafe selling hot chocolates, pastries, and other delicious dishes. Salads, cheese, grilled chicken, waffles, and other attractive dishes are in full display here. Here I would like to narrate an interesting incident that happened to us. After coming from USA, I had dollars, credit and debit cards, and ATM card also. But ATM machine was not available in this building. So after ordering food, we were not able to make the payment. Hearing our conversation, an American lady standing in line just in front of us offered to pay our bill. When I told her that I shall give her the money back, she refused to accept it and said that it was a treat from her. That was indeed a very memorable experience for us. We are really thankful and grateful to her for her magnanimous gesture to us. After eating at the cafe, we went to the world's largest Lindt chocolate shop, 500 square kilometer in area. Here you can see many types of chocolates, limited edition chocolates, and souvenirs are also available here. In addition, There is also a section called the Pick and Mix to select your favorite chocolates, Lindt truffles, and you can fill your bags. Here you can see a special section and you can see chocolate specialists. There are many attractive bars and chocolates. There are also heaps of attractive chocolates in display here. In this contest, it is worth mentioning that Lindt produces more than 1 billion Lindt truffles. After buying several types of chocolates, we moved to the museum in the first floor. We had to remember that once upon a time, instead of money, cocoa beans were used to buy materials and things. One could also learn many impressive details about chocolates, such as production of cocoa and cultural aspects and different tastes of chocolates. Further, we can learn about the origin of chocolates and how chocolate conquered Europe. Cocoa is the main ingredient of chocolates. Before making chocolate, cocoa has to go through various stages. There is also a guided tour lasting 90 minutes explaining the process for making chocolates. Here you can also taste various flavors of chocolates. The long journey from the place of cocoa production to Switzerland is also explained in this guided tour. In its 500 years of history, how chocolates conquered the world and how Switzerland became the capital of chocolate world are also explained in this guided tour. How cocoa beans is first converted into cocoa liquor and then to liquid chocolate, and this process is also explained here. In this factory, how chocolates are manufactured and how new products are developed are also described very well here. Swiss chocolate pioneers who invented conching process, such as Rudolf Lindt and Daniel Peter, who invented milk chocolates, are also explained here. Visitors can also see tempering, molding, and the art of decorating chocolates. Visitors can also participate in practical workshops. They can also learn how to make praline and chocolate bars. Both children and elders can participate in these workshops. This will be an interesting experience for families. Visitors can taste different types and flavors of chocolates from various stations here. Next, we went to an interesting and attractive section. Here they have displayed 8 different flavors of chocolates. Visitors are allowed to take one chocolate from each of these 8 baskets. In the factory, there's a glass paneled case. Here visitors can see a real-time process of production of chocolates, how chocolates are made, how they are covered, and packed for selling are also shown here. Lindt Home of Chocolates is open every day from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Last entrance is at 5 p.m. For workshops and guided tours, advanced booking is needed. Thus, it was a mesmerizing visit to the world of chocolates. I hope you liked this video. If so, kindly subscribe and share this video. Thank you very much.